Hey guys, you can't afford to skip this Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite deal. Looking to explore the world of tablets beyond Apple's iPad? Your chance has arrived with these Samsung Galaxy Tab deals, opening up a world of inexpensive, but still versatile and powerful tablets. Right now, at Amazon you can get $81 off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, with S Pen included. Right now it's down to $349, a huge drop from its regular price of $430. The right tablet can change your workday, how you enjoy entertainment and your hobbies, as well as your entire computing experience. Hurry if you want to jump on this deal. If you are seeing this channel for the first time and like to see similar reviews in the future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers this month. We love the cost-effectiveness and reliability of Samsung's Galaxy Tab series. And while the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite isn't the latest edition, it holds up splendidly. We love its expansive 10.4-inch LCD display, with slim bezels, way slimmer than the iPads, and surround sound by Dolby Atmos, tuned by AKG. What you get in the end is a tablet that's fantastic for viewing content, and nearly perfect sound for video calls, which for better or for worse, have become a big part of our workdays. Also, this tablet comes with Samsung's S Pen, which can transform how you do work as well as how you play on your tablet. The options are nearly limitless. Some professionals find it to be super helpful in taking notes and marking up documents and presentations. For creative folks, there can be nothing as helpful as drawing with the ultra-accurate S Pen, and then being able to edit those lines with the precision of drawing and editing programs. The 64GB standard storage on this machine may not blow anyone away, but with the availability of cloud computing, as well as a micro SD slot, you'll have plenty of options. And at the same time, it's still more than the 32GB offered on most iPads. And on top of it all, the battery boasts a 13-hour lifespan, meaning that you can watch, draw, or work all day without worrying about recharging. It's just a year after starting this channel and still lacks 1,000 subscribers. But the fact is, I have 1 million views in my channel. Most of the subscribers leave without subscribing. Please hit that subscribe button to help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. This is a fantastic opportunity to land the solid, fun, and attractive Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, with S Pen for $81 off. Right now it's just $349. A huge drop from its regular price of $430. Better act fast though, this deal won't last long. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.